Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to short on Kraken. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to short on Kraken, you have to follow these steps. In this video, I will show you how to short on Kraken by using Kraken Pro, which comes at no additional cost and also offers lower fees. On Kraken, go to the top right and click on Kraken Pro. From within Kraken Pro, you can use margin trading by borrowing assets to sell, or you can trade derivatives on Kraken by placing a sell or short order on futures contracts. To do this, go to the trade section and find the currency you want to short. For example, if you want to short Bitcoin, select it from the list. Then click on sell. You don't even need to own the cryptocurrency to margin short it. For instance, you can pick a coin you don't own, like Dogecoin. After selecting it, go to sell and turn on margin. You can use up to 10 times margin and then choose your portfolio leverage. For example, if you have 100 euros and use 10 times leverage, you can control 1,000 euros worth of a position. This means you can short Dogecoin using funds in your account, even if you don't own any Dogecoin. With 10 times leverage, if the price drops 1%, your position gains 10%. But if the price rises 1%, your portfolio loses 10%. That's why it's safer not to use your entire portfolio and instead use a smaller portion, like 10%. It's also recommended to set a take profit and a stop loss so you don't wipe out your portfolio if the market moves quickly. Basically, shorting on Kraken is done by setting a sell order with margin. And that's it. So that's basically how you can short on Kraken. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.